Yo, what's good, people? Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Oh, yeah, it has been a while. The last time I live stream was like a year ago. So I don't know exactly how to start this stream. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You guys can see it was like a year ago. So hi everyone. I can see everyone on chat. Um, Big shout out to Electronica, Ecker God Zero, Nocturne, Mohammed, Pig, and Finesco. Hi. Oh, massive shout out to Vortex for the gift. This is nice. This is amazing. Oh, by the way, this live stream was supposed to be for tomorrow, but I kind of messed up. I apologize. See, I'm I'm so bad at this. Honestly, this is supposed to be for tomorrow, but I thought it's already Tuesday. I thought I was supposed to live stream today, like Monday. But then I realized it was too late. Like I was already preparing my OBS, my camera, myself. I already planned what I'm gonna do, and yeah, I kinda messed it up. So the plan now is to continue the live stream, but I'll also live stream tomorrow just to fix my mistake. Because I can't just leave you guys, because probably someone out there expected me to live stream tomorrow, and if I don't live stream tomorrow, then I'll just embarrass myself, right? I'll be ashamed of myself as well. So that's not good. So massive shout out to all of you guys who are currently here today. I did not expect this to be this good right now. I'm seeing a lot of people. So massive shout out to all of you guys. Oh, by the way, is my microphone working? Can you guys hear me? I've been talking. So it would be it would be better if you guys can't even hear me. Hi, Zane. Nocturne. What are you going to make? We'll talk about that later in a bit. I want a membership. That's actually quite unfortunate because you can't specifically gift to a specific person. It's just random. I talk about that. We talked about that on YouTube session because we had like an event a few months back. And yeah, they're working on make it more that will let us, gift a specific user. But right now it's not possible. But thank you to Vortex for sharing this. Good to see it. What else do we have here? ABT. Oh, ABT. Friendly Guy. Friendly Guy is also one of the reasons why this I just realized why I made a mistake. Because I announced on our Discord server. Speaking of Discord, if you guys haven't joined our Discord server, do it now. It should be in the description below. So join our Discord server to hang out with the rest of the gang. Okay. Yeah, big shout out to Friendly Guy. I've also seen that you donated a bunch. So thank you so much for the donation. That's going to help me a lot, because I make videos about making AI projects and that can be quite expensive. So having this helped a lot. So thank you so much. What else do we have here? Neat Og official. Hi, it's So. Hi, welcome. Nocturne, Splash FVR, 10 AIs work together, make FNAF 4 from scratch. I'll get back to that later. Buggy Sama. Yes, of course. 50 AI makes GTA 6. God damn. Give me a list of 50 AIs. I don't think we have that much. Can you tell me my name? Maria's Vibes. I don't even know if I pronounced it right, but welcome. I hear you. What we're gonna do? We'll talk about it in a bit. Let me just check all of the chats. Maybe I missed something. Okay, we can hear. Good, good, good. Looks like my audio is working just fine. I can't join your Discord server. It says the link is expired. Is it? I thought I already fixed it. Hold on. Let me just go back here. Holy shoot! I have like 23 people right here, right now. Oh wow, this is fantastic. You know, last time I streamed, we rarely reached like 10 people. So the fact that you guys are here is amazing. So thank you. Is anyone on Twitch? No one's on Twitch? That's all YouTube. Hold on. Let me actually fix the Discord, because some of you want to join on Discord, but the link is broken. So let me just take a look at that. Okay? Give me a bit of a time. Okay. Hold on. Should be able to get it from here, right? How do I do that? Okay, it should be inside of the welcome. Okay, this one. This link right here. Let me copy that. And I'll just post it on the chat. I think it's fine, right? Can I just do that? Oh, I'm using my Twitch. Hold on. Let me go back here. I'll do it here. That is the link. And maybe I can just pin it. There we go. Some of you, if you guys want to join our Discord server, the link is in the chat. It's already pinned. All right. What are we gonna do? Are you guys ready? What we're gonna do is we're going to use a roulette. And then you guys are going to give me ideas on what we're going to do today. And then we're going to spin the roulette. And whatever it picks, that's what we're going to make. That's fun, right? That's going to be super fun. So let's go ahead and search for a roulette app. Let me just do it here. Roulette app. Is there... What do you call that, actually? Roulette, circle thing? Shit, I'm no gambler. I don't know what to call that shit. Roulette spin online. Spin the wheel. Wheel of names. There you go. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Okay? You guys are going to give me a bunch of app ideas, and then we're going to choose using this. Okay? Are you guys ready? Yeah, well, that's it. Spin the wheel or Wheel of Fortune. So guys, give me ideas. Here we go. What kind of project are we going to build except IDE? Because I'm already working on that, by the way. The reason why I'm doing a live stream right now is because I can't finish my video this week. I was on holiday just yesterday. That's why I'm still a little, I'm still a little lost. I thought it's already Tuesday. Because yesterday I was on holiday and I thought yesterday was Monday. You know what? Forget about it. We're here anyway, so let's just continue. Okay, so we got 10 AIs make FNAF or Five Nights at Freddy's. We'll just paste it there. What else do we have? A streaming platform. Streaming platform? I don't even know. Okay, sure, I guess. What else do we have? Make Unity game like Backrooms game. Okay, that's a good idea. I'll take that. We'll just paste it right over here. Come on, guys. Give me more. I'm not even gonna say that. A Unity game. You need to be very specific because some people would say make Unity game like Backrooms, right? You can't just say make, or you can just say Unity game. So be specific. Minecraft, okay, because the Minecraft video is actually quite old, so maybe we can improve it, you know, make it better. I don't know, maybe we can like, okay, here's a better idea. Minecraft, but we'll let all you guys play. It's gonna be online, but we'll let everyone play the game. So it should have a server, right? There should be a server. And what else do we have? Unreal Engine 5. What do you mean? Can you please make a video on loophole IDE? Holy shit. Guys, chill. I need to the chat is like going crazy right now. I missed one. Hold on. Are you ready to waste all your credits? This is the reason why this live stream is kind of a bad idea, because I'm pretty sure we're gonna be wasting a lot of credits. But if some of you guys are going to gift, also like, you know, donate, then that's going to reduce the cost of this video or this live stream. Anyway, let's go ahead and pick more. Make a chatting app like Discord. Okay, that's actually a good idea too. Who is making all this idea? Zane. Okay. Kim the Epic Gamer. Unreal Engine 5, like some game like Puppy Playtime. Okay, Puppy Playtime but with Unreal Engine. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea how to use Unreal Engine. I haven't used it like more than once. I just opened it once and I just gave up. So I don't know about this one, but maybe that's going to be entertaining. Who knows? Next one. YouTube, where we can log in, register, and upload videos. Okay. That's also good. 5AI makes Uno game. Sure, I guess. Okay, that's from Nocturne. Nocturne. What else do we have here? There's a lot of our... I'm gonna have to scroll all the way down. Hold on. Guys, chill, okay? Make Escape the Backrooms clone. I think it's already there, right? Make Unity game like Backrooms, so I'm not gonna put it there as well. Make a CLI tool. Okay, that's actually a good idea, but what kind? I'm just gonna put it there, but if someone can provide more in you know, ideas what we can add. Make a CLI tool, but what they should do. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of it. But if you can improve that, that would be fantastic. Make a Windows 12 concept like has actual apps. Okay, you name it. What do I have here? Make Windows 12 concept that have actual apps like the Windows Terminal, File Explorer, that have apps. That's what I'm gonna do. AI is making Scratch from scratch. I was thinking of making this a video itself, but maybe we can also do it here. Okay, AI is making Scratch from scratch. A game engine using E++. Okay. I don't know. That's going to be a lot of work because first of all, we need to update E++, and then we're going to use AIs to and ask it to use E++ to build a game engine. That's kind of a lot of work. It's a lot of work. It's fun. That would be fun, but I don't see the point. You know? I don't know. Maybe we can figure it out later. What else do we have here? A chatting platform where users can chat. We already have Discord here. Did we put it? Did I put it? Yeah, chatting app like Discord. 10 AIs make Among Us in Godot. In Godot? Okay. There we go. There's another one right there. How many more should we add? I feel like this is too much already. Hold on. I'm gonna add a few more. Okay. I'm gonna add a few more. What else? Hold on. Let me just scroll down because there's so much in the chat right now that I can't even pick properly. Fortnite or one-person shooter, okay. Do we have that already? I don't think so. FPS, right? Can you not put time limit so you build the best things possible? No, there is no time limit, but I will only live stream just a few hours, for just a few hours, because I have things to do, right? But we'll see. We'll see if we can do something. But don't worry, guys. We're still going to continue this. This is not the end. We're not going to do this in just one live stream. I'll still live stream tomorrow because I'm pretty sure some people expect me to live stream tomorrow. Okay, hold on. I need to scroll all the way down. Fortnite, same thing. Make a Chrome extension. That's actually a good idea. What else do we have here? 10 AIs work together to make a browser extension from scratch. We already have that. Are you planning on being sponsored by a vibe coding platform to make a productivity app? That's a great question. Right now, I'm talking to one, but it's still under, we're still planning. But I don't want to, I don't want to put too much sponsor segments in my videos because first of all, that's not going to, I need to learn how to integrate it properly because I've learned my mistakes in the past. I wasn't sponsored once by Shopify, but it didn't really end well because a lot of people skip sponsors segments, right? So yeah, maybe someday, maybe soon. Hold on. You know what? Wow, holy. We already 50 people, guys. Welcome. Hey, chill out. Get sponsored by a vibe coding platform. That's not a request. Create a programming language. Yo, Weekly, how your mod is here. Yo, what's up? What's up? It's so hot. Custom social media. Actually, that's a good idea too. Custom social media. Make an app that you turn profitable. Literally, all this can be profitable. It just depends on how you're going to monetize it. Can it be ads? Can it be, you can purchase something inside of the app, in-app purchases, etc. But let's just give other guys a few chance to. Hold on. I'm scrolling all the way down just to find others. Chrome extension seems interesting. Thanks for that horror stories. Make an AI game. 5 bots chat. 1 is lying. Oh, this is good. This is actually good. Because I've played this with my friends last time. Yeah, I don't even know what to call it, actually. Okay, so let's just get rid of that. Okay. Well, how many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think this is good. We are good. We are good. Hold on. I'm gonna go and read some of the super chat. Because holy shit. I'm not good at this. I did not expect us to be doing so well. But let me read the super chats. From Mr. Yo Son of A. You forgot to include Windows Terminal in Windows 12 concept. Okay. Okay, let me just do that. Where's Windows 12? But technically I did it. So that have apps plus terminal. Okay. Done. Next one. Make a Windows 12 concept that has actual apps, Windows Terminal, File Explorer, Spotify. That's what I already did. Let's go to the next one. Is there any way I can just open everything? Because this is not good. Hold on. Let me go to the next super chat, please. Let me go to the next super chat. I can't. How do you even... Hold on. Pop out. Where are the super chats? How do I find those? Like, I'm so bad at this. Yes, there we go. Finally, I've seen it. It's right here. Okay. Big shout out to ABT official for the donations. Let me read the super chats. I did that. Make a programming language that replies to machine code today and tomorrow create an OS with that. What? Make a programming language that replies to machine code today and tomorrow create an OS with that. Ah, you're talking about today. So we're going to make a program language today, okay, that replies to machine code. Though that part, I'm still confused. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, sure, I'll put it here. Programming language. Programming language that replies to machine code. You meant... I think you meant turning it into machine code. That's what I understood. Next one. Mr. Yo's. What? Am I still here? What just happened? I lost it. Hold on. You guys still see me? I don't think my internet is capable of like doing live stream. Hold on. Ah, my goodness. Hold on. I can't do this right now. Make a program language and build an OS with that. I think that's what you meant. Replies to make a program language and make OS with that. Make program language today and OS tomorrow. I think that's what you meant. From Horse Stories. Hi Weekly how are you today? I am doing great. I'm a little bit tired. But other than that, I'm super pumped to see you guys. Okay, I think we're good. I think we are good, right? I think we are good. Yeah, I think this is good. It's good. Should I add more? Holy shit. Sorry for my language, but someone's freaking out in the chat. Yo, Char, chill. Man. Minecraft mod. That would be sick. Cursor 4.0. I actually know that there's already an update to Cursor, but I'm still not updating it because I don't want to use Cursor 4. I don't want to use Cursor 4.0. Why? I don't know. I feel like it's gonna change my workflow and I'm scared of changes. Anyway, let's do it. Are you guys ready? Are we guys ready? Are we guys ready? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Here we go. Click to spin. You know, this is going to be either the cheapest project or the most expensive project I will ever make live. I'm not ready for this, but here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yes. No, I'm kidding. Congratulations to whoever requested this. Who did this? So we are going to build YouTube where we can log in, register, and upload a video. That is what we're going to build today. Are you guys happy with that? Who requested this? Yay! Yay, yay, yay. Big shout out to Stint Cutter for this massive request. What should we call this project? That's a good question. Hold on. Vibe Tube. Weekly Tube. Okay, no. No. I like the name, but no. We're not gonna do that. Opus Tube. Opus Tube. That sounds a bit. Weak Tube, perhaps? That's not too bad. Vibe Tube. Okay, that's what ChatGPT would call it. Definitely. Vibe Tube. Weekly Watch. That's actually not too bad either. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. But you know what? Let's go with names this time. Okay? I can actually do that. I didn't know. Let me put out a bunch of names, and that's going to be the name of the project. WeTube, I see WeTube. I see Weekly How YouTube or Weekly Tube. I see what? What is Zello? Zello, okay. MeTube. We already have Weekly Tube. Code Tube. That's very niched, but okay. Weekly Tube, we already have that. Claude Opus 4.6 Tube. That is wild. Okay, fine. GoonTube. Yeah, just for jokes, right? um, what else? Vidora. Vidora. Okay. Mm. Yo, Char, you gotta chill. We already done. We are done. I've already spinned, so I'm going to ignore what you are trying to request. I apologize for that, but it's done. HowTube. HowTube is here. What else? Please activate slow chat. Can I do that? I'm telling you, I don't know how to do this. How do I do that? Live chat. ZillTube and PressureTube would be fire. Oh, that's a good one. ZillTube. I don't know how that's gonna do well. I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna do well in the SEO side of things, but sure. What am I doing? My keyboard. What is going on? Pressure tube. YouTube. Oh, that is good. YouTube. Koi watch. Okay. What is this made of? Fish? Altube. Altube like that? VTube. Like that? Howtube. yes, I like that. CatTube. Very niche. Everything is just cat. Everything in this website is going to be just a bunch of cats. VTuber. WH Tube. Yes. What else? YouTube is gonna get you DMCA strike. Okay, there you go. Thanks for bringing that up. Okay. Let's do YouTuning. Does that work? I don't think it's gonna be a problem. Loof. Xtube. Yeah, because, you know, Twitter, X, and then Tube. All right. What else do we have here? stdio.htube. Funny. That is funny. From Fast Tutorials. CookTube. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Is that supposed to be a different language? Nebula Stream. That's actually good too. Nebula Stream. What else? Fry? You guys are really trying hard to be funny. I like that. I like that. I think it's time to spin. I think it's time to spin. Someone had a good idea. From Z Kaiden Weekly, can I get a hi? Hi. Welcome. Welcome everyone. We are now in we have 66 viewers right now. Hi everyone. Welcome to Weekly How. This is amazing. Okay. There is 2 HowTube. There is 1. Oh, there is 2. Okay. Let's get rid of that. That means I need one more. Maybe hold on. NovaTube. What should we do? Weekly Watch. I like that. Weekly Watch. That's very long, but Just for the fun of the game, okay? All right, let's do this, guys. Let's do the name. Let's do it. I am telling you, we need 6-7 viewers. Come on! 6-7! Come on! 6-7, guys! I'm 29 years old. No, we are 70 viewers right now. We are 70 viewers right now, which is a milestone. Okay, let's do this. Should be 3. Are we guys ready? Wake up, gang! Everyone, wake the F up! Maybe we should add 6-7. Yeah, 6-7 tube. Let's go. I'm gonna spin this. That's it. All right. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. What is it gonna be? Oh, we were so close to 6-7. It was so close to 6-7 tube. This close. Weekly tube. Here we go. Congratulations to whoever requested this name or suggested this name. Okay. Congratulations. Weekly tube. Here we go. All right. Let me read the chat. Here we go. All right. We got the idea. We also got the name. Now it's time to build the prompt. So let's go ahead and do this in Claude. Here we go. This is the start of the video. Whenever you guys watch a Weekly How video, it always starts here. Let's start building a prompt. Build me a prompt to use in Cursor to build a YouTube web app. To build a web app. To build a YouTube web app. Come on. And this is how you guys are going to this is when you guys are going to help me. What should I write? What else should I write? Okay. Maybe I should use bullet points. Right? Should I say in this app, the users, because there should be 2 types of users, right? There should be content creators and also viewers can watch videos. You know what? I just realized. Am I gonna get in trouble? Because right now we are on YouTube. And we are live doing something that could, you know, that could destroy YouTube itself. Google, just for just so you know, this is just for entertainment purposes only. I am not making a project to replace YouTube. That's why it's called Weekly Tube, okay? Oh boy. But this is fun regardless. Let me read a super chat. I don't want to miss anything. From Mr. Yo Son of A. By the way, I tried to join your Discord, but the invite link is invalid. It should be pinned, guys, in the chat. I pinned the link, so you can use that. Should be good. Okay. Guys, stop be stop pinging YouTube. We're gonna get in trouble. I don't think so. Maybe. Who knows? I'm gonna get an email someday and it's gonna be like, I don't think you should be doing that. Let me look for your ideas. Because right now we are building a prompt. So you guys can like give me ideas what to write. Exactly, Nocturne. Don't write bad prompts. Okay, from Urios. People should be able to post videos, of course. People in this app, the users in this app, we have two types of users: viewers and content creators. The thing is, content creators can also watch a video, so this is kind of dumb. Okay? In this app, the users should be able to post videos, watch videos. What else? People should be able to make live stream. LOL. Maybe we're gonna do it later because we need to make sure that we get the base first. Make sure that it's working before we add more things. That's how we should be doing it. Tell it to use proper streaming with bitrate compression. Also deploy it with Docker. Hold on. Tell it YouTube clone, not web app. Okay. To build a YouTube clone. Okay. I don't know if that's gonna be safe, but let's do it. Google is a poopy pants from Nocturne. uh From Huge W, why do you use Cursor for Claude and not Claude Code? There are a couple of reasons why. I use Cursor because I've had better experience with Cursor than Codex, for example, or Anti-Gravity, for example. I had better experience with Cursor, I'd say. I used, what was the name of that again? Warp code? If you don't know what that is, it's basically warp.dev. It's an IDE or a terminal that will let you, use LLMs like that. But you are inside of a terminal, so you can run different commands. It's good, but it's kind of slow. I've had like slower workflows there than Cursor. Let me go back to the chat. Maybe some of you have ideas what to do. Okay, build me a prompt to use in Cursor to build a YouTube clone. In this app, the users should be able to post videos, watch videos. What else? Comment, right? Comment on a video. Comment in the video on a video. Like, subscribe. That being said, if you guys haven't liked the live stream, what are you doing? If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you doing? Subscribe. Okay. On a video, like, subs, hit the bell button. Bell button for notifications. So we're gonna have like notifications feature as well. Notifications to notify the user Okay, that's it. Um, register new accounts or log into accounts easily. Tell it that. Okay. Let me just fix the grammar. In this app, the user should be able to post videos, watch videos, comment on a video, like, subs, bell button for notifications, notifications to notify the user, create an account. Is that what you said? What did you say? Register new accounts or log into accounts easily? Create an account and create accounts easily, log in easily. Imagine if we integrate like Google sign in. So it's a competition of YouTube, but in the sign up button, there's like register using your Google account. That's so dumb. Shorts, hell yeah. Shorts or reels? Yes, that's a good one. Don't make it addicting. Oh, I love you guys. You guys are funny. Preview HTML. What does that mean? Add better UI? Why don't you use Opus 4.6 in Cursor for a better prompt? I mean, Opus is better than Sonnet. Okay, let's do that. I know. I need to purchase because I'm currently in free plan. That's why. I mean, Opus is meant for coding. I don't know. Ads. Should I add ads? Add more ads like YouTube? Yes! Ads! You know what? I'm just gonna troll. Is that what we go? Is that what you want? Add ads and make it longer. Oh boy. Can't believe I made it here this early. L ads, bro. Ads off weekly how. Now we're talking. Ads and make it longer. And ads should all be just weekly how videos. Oh boy, this is good. Add some Easter eggs. The thing with Easter eggs, you will find it eventually. It's not secret. I'll probably add it when the live stream is over. And I will just let you guys know that there are Easter eggs somewhere in the app and you guys find it. Oh, dislikes! Hell yes! I was joking, by the way. I'll get rid of the ads. Like and dislike. I forgot about that. What else do we have here? Add Minecraft in what? In this app? I don't know. Playlist. That's another one. Okay. Playlist. What else do we have? Search videos. Okay. Search videos. And home feed to show videos. Donate. Okay, this is gonna make it monetizable. So, home feed to recommend videos to users. Will also let them donate to what? To content creators. So it's probably going to use what? Stripe. I don't know. Memberships. Hell yeah. We'll also let them donate to content creators. Join memberships. Right? From Pablo Edits, I meant preview HTML code in Python program and stuff from descriptions, comments, etc. Yeah, actually that's a good one because on YouTube, when you paste a code, it's not treated as a, you know, as a code. It's just a bunch of text. So maybe that's a good idea. In the comments, users should be able to use like text formats. The users in the comments, the comment should be formatable. Okay. Let's do e.g. Code should be enclosed in a card and have code formatting. What else? Bold comment could be bold, italic, underlined, etc. What else do we need? Community post. Community post. Is this too much? Let me just format this properly. In this app, the user should be able to post videos, watch videos, comment on a video, like and dislike, subscribe to a channel. Oh! No! Hold on. Shit. Sorry. Dumbass. Sorry for my language. Not meant to do that. Let me start again. Here you go. Bell button for notifications. Notifications to notify the user. What else? Create accounts easily. Log in easily. Shorts, reels, playlist. Search videos. Home feed to recommend videos to users. Also let them donate to content creators. Join memberships. In the comments should be formatable. For example, code should be enclosed in a card and have code formatting. Comments should be bold, italic, underline, etc. There should be can also use emojis. So that would be fun. Yes, analytics. Content creators. Content creator analytics. View counts. Forget about that. Properly implement view counts. Content creators can edit title, edit uploaded videos, title, description, tags, etc. What else? Live streams and downloads and algorithms should be fair. Algorithms should be fair for everyone. So every poor content creators like me gets views. Yes, yes, yes. Add AI slop to the YouTube clone. Direct messages. I almost forgot thumbnails, yeah. Post videos. Upload custom thumbnails to videos. Watch videos, comment, right? Customize the channel, sure. Customize the channel so it look good. We already have video playlist, guys. Community post. GIF or GIF. Jeez. GIF in the comments. Fully customizable channel. Customize the channel so it look good. Customize the channel using CSS. That's gonna be bizarre. It reminds me of what? Friendster back in the days? Oh, back in my day. Back in the day, we're like, you know, make your own profile page and you customize it however you like with custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Good days. Pictures in the comments. Oh, you know what? Pictures in the comments are a bad idea because, you know, people are weird. They'll just like post weird stuff. Like, you know, foot pics. That was very specific. What else do we have? Yeah, I think this is too much. I agree. I think this is too much already. Yeah, this is such a big project already. All right, I'm gonna send this. Okay, no more updating. Last one, video quality. Watch videos and let viewers pick different video resolutions. Um, should we go back in time? You know, the 144p, 720p, 1080p, 4K, right? Oh yes, supposed to be called Weekly Tube. Forgot about that. And the name of the project is Weekly Tube. This is the reason why live streaming with you guys would be much better, because you guys remind me that I'm missing something. What else do am I missing something else? We already have views. It's already mentioned somewhere. Uh did I miss it? No, I'm pretty sure I already added. Did I miss it? I said somewhere implement views properly. Did I remove it? Upload custom videos, like and dislike. Views are number of views. You know what? This doesn't make a lot of sense because here I said in this app the user should be able to post videos, upload, watch, and then I just put like views. I don't think Sonnet 4.6 is dumb. It knows what YouTube is, so it probably would add the views automatically. So let's just send this. This should be good, right? This should be good. It should be good. If we miss something else, we'll just work on it the next day, okay? We're not going to skip this. We're not going to be done with this in just one day, okay? That's the reason why I'm still going to live stream tomorrow so we can continue it. Okay? I will send this now. That's it. This is too long. Here we go. It's done. Right, here we go. It is now building the prompt. And while we're waiting for that, I need to actually create the project folder. So I'll just go here. And we're going to create a new folder. And we'll call this Weekly Tube. A sec. My throat is burning. Here we go. And let me just open cursor while we're waiting for that. Right. All right, here we go. Did any of you do a super chat? Am I missing something? I'm from Mr. Yo, son of A. Streaming is another good shout. The thing with streaming is it's a big feature. That's why I skipped it. If we want to add streaming feature, then we're going to do that tomorrow. Or once we actually have the base project. You know? Once we have accounts, once we have proper, once we have an app, that's the time we are adding more stuff. For now, we'll just start with this. That's it? You guys want to read all this? This is gonna be long. Oh, by the way, how are we guys doing? Because I'm not gonna lie, there's so many chats, and I can't read all of them. Unfortunately, I'm trying my best to read all of them, but I can't. Why is your cam so dark? Because it's already late. Hold on. I'm gonna need to turn on my lights now because it's dark now. It's currently 8 p.m. here in France. In France. What about now? Better? Is it better? Bonsoir, oui. C'est déjà ce soir. C'est déjà soir. My French is so bad. Hi from Italy. How late are we gonna be? What do you mean? Like, how much more do we have? How long have I been streaming? I've been streaming for an hour? Yeah, an hour. So we still have a couple of hours left. Bro is a French and doesn't know French. Fun fact, I am not. I am not French. I just live in France. But I'm not French. You speak German? Nine! Nine! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was so bad. In this prompt, there are 2 or AWS. S3 storage preferred. It needs an account and a bucket creation. Yeah. Did it say something about that? Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. It's actually done. So here we go. Project overview. Build a full stack video sharing platform called WeeklyTube. It should replicate and improve upon YouTube's core experience with a fair, chronology balanced recommendation algorithm, rich creator tools, and a deeply interactive community layer. This itself is already good. Say again, 9. What, you're gonna clip it? If I become a meme, I'll be proud of myself. Hold on. Okay, I think we are good. Build a full stack. I read that already. Tech stack, front end, Next.js. Okay. Tailwind CSS, of course. Shed CN. That's good. Backend, Node.js with Express or Next.js API routes. I'd prefer Express. Thank you very much. PostgreSQL via Prisma ORM. That's good as well. Video storage and streaming, Cloudflare or AWS. Video transcoding, FFmpeg via WorkerQ, BullMQ or similar. Okay, that's gonna be a different system. Thumbnails for image hosting. Maybe we should update this because obviously I'm not gonna use AWS because we're gonna need to set it up, obviously. And I don't think we're gonna have much time for that. Yep, I knew it. For payments, it's gonna be Stripe. For search, mainly search or Algolia. I made a video about Algolia, so that could be something we could use too. But again, we need to set it up, so it's a problem with that. Authentication and account. Sign up with email or password with email verification link. That is good. What should we do? This should be good, right? Okay, let me just take a look at the features. For the video upload, drag and drop, that's good. Upload custom thumbnails. If no thumbnail is uploaded, auto-generate a frame. Okay. See, this is what I'm trying to say. It knows already what YouTube is. So it's going to copy that as much as possible. Show upload queue status page with transcoding. Okay, this is good. Creator can edit title. Okay, this one is good as well. Creator can delete. Someone said this. So I didn't even mention this, but it's here. So that's good. Set video as age restricted. Why is this here? Why are you age restricting my videos? No, that's fine. That is fine. You know what? Yeah, we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna do this. Because I feel like we are wasting a lot of time. We've been here for an hour already. And we haven't done anything yet. So I'm just gonna copy this. Okay. And then we'll go back to cursor. And we'll just paste it here. Okay. But I need to change some things here. For video storage, I'm not going to use AWS. We're going to use Cloudflare. Okay? We're going to use Cloudflare. How long is the stream going to be? About like 2 hours and a half? 3? Depends. Depends. Yeah. Few more hours. Depends on the outcome. Video transcoding, FFmpeg via WorkerQ, BullMQ or similar for 720p. This one is good. For thumbnails, Cloudinary or S3. I'm just gonna use Cloudinary. I don't know about that. Can I just host it locally? I think we can just do it locally, right? So when you upload, it should be stored inside of a project folder. Because it's meant to be public anyway. So I don't think we need to use any tools for this. Thumbnail should be uploaded somewhere in the public folder. Like public thumbnails. And then we're just gonna use like an ID here, like video ID. Right? Something like this. And maybe we can do like... YouTube does something with video thumbnails. I think it's like HQ or HD or whatever. You know, I'm not gonna make it complicated. Just do something like this. And should be thumbnail.jpg or PNG. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? From Kim the Epic Gamer, what router are you using? Please show us, please. And what's your Wi-Fi speed and ping? What do you mean? Currently, I'm using Wi-Fi because my internet router is right over there. And if I use a cable, I'm gonna have to mess around, and it's going to be messy in here, in the living room, and I don't like mess. So I'm just using Wi-Fi. I'm connecting to Wi-Fi. So that's probably why my internet is not the best. But it's not bad. I can still, you know, live stream. I can still watch 4K videos. It's not laggy. It's not bad. But yeah. Okay. Next, for authentication, next off. Okay, that's good. Socket IO for live notifications. Melee search. Actually, I have no idea what this is. So I'm just gonna do a quick search. What this is. Is this free? It is not free. Start with Melee search open source version and switch to cloud seamlessly whenever you are ready. I don't know about this. We're just gonna do this because I don't want to use any third-party tools just to make our lives easier. If we can just create from scratch, why not? And for payments, Stripe, okay, I'm not gonna change that. For GIF support, Tenor or GIF API for comment, okay, that's good. Okay, this should be good. I just want to change the tech stack so we are fine. Okay? Okay, whatever. And for the model, what are we picking? How do you guys feel about the model? Which model should we use? I think I'm just gonna use ChatGPT. Let's use GPT 5.4 high. This is usually how I start. Some of you are saying Gemini, Opus 4.6. Okay, a lot of you are saying Kimi K2. Okay, Kimi K2 is winning. But Opus 4.6 is also winning, so let's do Opus. Opus 4.6. Okay? Opus is the best for front end. GPT is ass. Okay, Opus it is then. I'm gonna send this. I'm not gonna waste more time. Here we go. Herobrine, answer me. What GitHub for videos? I'll stop after reaction. I don't even know what you're trying to say. This is GitHub for videos. I think. Here we go, guys. We are finally building something. This is a massive project. I'll start by scaffolding the foundation as instructed. Project setup, Prisma schema, authentication, and the video upload, transcoding pipeline. And here are the to-do list items. Okay? So we have scaffold the project, set up Prisma schema, configure next auth, build video upload API, set up FFmpeg transcoding, build core layout, build video player, build home feed with recommendation algorithm. This is gonna be huge. This is gonna be huge. Weekly how make me mod from horror stories. Actually, I do have a mod. Where is he? You have used 79% of your included API usage. Yeah, I'm cooked. After this live stream, it's gonna be like 100%. And I'm gonna have to pay for each prompt that we make. What's going on? What's going on here? Why do I have this? Okay. Weird. That was weird. Was that you guys? You guys are doing something? But it's finally building something, so that's good. Cursor opened cursor app. Yes, it did. That was so funny. Actually, give me a few moments. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna talk to my mod and I'm gonna make sure that all the spam goes away. Give me a okay. Okay. Got it. Where is he? You. Give me a moment. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Now we got a moderator. You guys are cooked. So you guys better be chill. Now, everyone, calm down. Because someone's going to kick your ass. Again, guys, this is literally my first live stream after a year. So this is not gonna be the best live stream ever. Things can get messy here and there. So please bear with us. Bear with me. I'm just a one guy. I don't have a team of Mr. Beast that could like manage this whole thing. I mean, even Mr. Beast could like face problems live. So yeah. Anyway, while we're waiting for this, I'm just gonna read a chat. From Pro Score Zero, Weekly House, set up Nightbot for stop spamming. Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out maybe later after streaming because I didn't expect this to be this much. I was not expecting to have a lot of people. So, yeah, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. So yeah, Horror Stories is now a mod. So guys, be careful. Boron 8 slow mode. I don't know how to do that. Is there a way I can slow mode the chat? I'm gonna need to figure it out later after the stream. Cause yeah, I don't know. Hello, what are we doing right now from Pimo? We are building a YouTube clone. This happened because we did a game earlier. We did the spin the wheel thing with like a bunch of ideas and YouTube won. And we even made a spin the wheel again just for the name and it's called Weekly Tube. There you go. You know this is gonna cost you a lot, right? Like you need storage for the videos and that's not free. Cloudflare is not giving you lots of storage, I think. I know it's not gonna be I'm aware. I'm aware this is gonna be expensive, so yeah. But again, this is just for entertainment purposes only. I don't think we're gonna need to host this, forever. Unless unless you guys actually want me to host this, and you guys like, you know, what do you call that again? Like donate and but raise funds or something. But to be honest, I don't want it. I don't think it could get to that point. This is just for fun. Okay, am I missing something else? From eBay to official. Do you believe in aliens? Do I believe in aliens? I guess. I mean, out of topic, I'll just say yes. Get up for video storage. Come on, man. Stop spamming. The messages from Crafted 1223. The messages arrive late. You have to change that next time. Yeah, I'm reading through my my OBS. So here it's much faster and up to date than the I guess the chat on my screen or on your screen. What else do we have here? Hey, can you make a stickman animation recorder like we just have? Maybe someday. We're already working on something today. From Belmu, when will app be published? Once the project is done, maybe tomorrow, I'll publish it on our members website. The Discord link is expired again. The Discord link, the updated Discord link is pinned in the chat. You can check it out and should be good. This chat is full of brain rot children. I can't be here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Isn't that the case everywhere? I mean, I don't think you'll find your place if you think you are above brain rot children. You are all of that children. Cooked. Electronica cooked. What else do we have here? The Discord link again. Simin. I already told you the Discord link is in the chat. Should be good. Okay, I think I've read the chat already, so we are good. And it's still working. We're still waiting for the project. There's that. Hey, please make a manifest for a PWA app so we can use the app. This project is gonna be published on Weekly How members website once this is done, so all of the members could download it. If you are a member, you can download this for free. But then again, I'm not going to publish this for free. You guys know why. If you don't know, I can't help you. I've explained this so many times already. From Gold Glory, what is the project? The project is YouTube clone. Weekly How, if you become president of France for one day, what will you do? Wish to not be a president. Why would I want to be that kind of person? I just want to live peacefully. That's all I want. I think everyone here is a bot. Oh, man, I don't know, man. Maybe. Weekly How, if you become a president, I already answered that. Damn, how long does it take? That's the thing, though. Okay, who said that? From Crafted. How long does it take? That's the thing. You guys don't see it. Whenever I upload a video, You guys will see it immediately because I cut almost like 30 minutes of this. Because all of you don't have the ability to what's the whole thing. So this is gonna take time. I'm telling you right now, this is gonna take time. Where are we? We're not even halfway through. That's what I'm telling you. So when I make a video, I cut this part. Because this is boring, right? This is boring. That's why all I can do right now is just talk to you guys. This is our time to talk. From Zane, can you give me the prompt? I can give the prompt, but I'll post it on Discord. I'll post it on Discord. Yeah. Drink a cup of coffee. I just have this. I know the pain from Kim Epic Gamer. I know the pain. It takes me 20 minutes off to make a normal game. It does take a long time, especially since this is a big project. I'm expecting this to be like 30 minutes. So yeah. From Solar Man, I think if you ask the AI to work faster, the code will suck. I mean, to be fair, that's so dumb to like tell AI to work faster. I've watched a video somewhere on X or Twitter. Someone made like a, the whipping thing to whip LLMs so it works. It's funny, but it's so dumb. If you want to make it faster, then you'll have to use a faster model. Watch a YouTube video or something. Watch a movie. I don't know, man. I don't know. If only I could just like pause and immediately show you guys the result. I'd love to do that, but this is live. What can I do? It's 81%. Okay. Yeah, 83 by the way. So we are getting closer. From Carl Johnson, GLM 5.1 released in April 2026. Oh, just this month. It's a 754 billion parameter MOE, capable of operating autonomously for up to 8 continuous hours on a single task. Okay. I don't think we have GLM here, so that's unfortunate. I'd love to try other models, but the only models I can use here in Cursor, mostly this. I could add BYOK or bring your own API keys, but that's gonna cost money. Where do you buy API for AI, dude? I just bought Cursor. I'm subscribed to Cursor Pro, and I'm using the API usage or this. So I've already used 83%, and once it reaches 100, that means for every prompt that I make, I'll have to pay for it. Where do you buy? Okay, I already answered that. When do you think Mythos will release? From Gold Glory. I don't know. I've heard a lot about that, by the way. And everyone's just freaking out. Like, Mythos here. Maybe next month. Or maybe in next couple of weeks. I've heard Opus 4.7 is coming out soon. And I've heard another model is going to be released soon from OpenAI. So that's another thing that we can try next time. If you had $1 billion, where will you spend them? That's a great question. That's the thing, though. I don't know. I've never had that problem. How are we doing, by the way? Did I miss any super chats? No, no, no. Okay, there are no super chats, so we are good. Let me just go back here. You can use free GLM5 from NVIDIA NLM platform. It's unlimited. Okay. I'll do that after. Weekly how? Build a profitable app and launch it to a domain. Done. You make it sound so easy. But it isn't. I'm actually working on an app. It's a working out, you know, when you're working out, you just like record your sets. I've been working on it for like months. But it just doesn't look good. I don't think I'll be able to like host it anytime soon because I need to optimize it. You know what, ABT, you're asking a lot of good questions. From Yurius Sus, what's going on? Sorry, I missed half off stream. I mean, you have two options. Or you have one options. One option. You can either just go back and then watch the whole thing. Or I can answer your question. Which one should it be? Even right now, I'm getting bored because this is taking a long time. Where are we? Oh, yay! We're almost done. Yes! Here we go. We are about to find out if this work. If you depend on cursor, what are you without it? It's like one of those quotes. If you're nothing without a suit, then you shouldn't have it. Okay, while waiting for that, actually, I'm just gonna post the prompt just so you guys can use it as well. You guys looking for this, right? I'm just gonna download it as a file, and yep. And then we'll just go to here and go here. And should I put it in like should I put it in the lobby? I guess here. Upload a file and then downloads and then this one, right? And I'll just send it. There you go. Why you're wearing hat at home? I don't know. Why are you at home? Why don't you use Claude Code? Again, Claude Code is just meant to be used for like you're not gonna be able to use other models. That's what I'm trying to say. I want to use other models. I want to use OpenAI's ChatGPT. I want to use Kimi. I want to use Opus. I want to use all of them. There we go. Thanks for that. Actually, I should include the prompts I use in the zip file that I share. I always forget. I'm so sorry. What games do you play? Oh, what games do I play? I used to play GTA. I played Cyberpunk. I finished it already. Um, that's all. I stopped playing games. I want to learn how to play League though. I'll do that someday. um, Weekly How, I have a question. If you are the main character of Stranger Things, what will you do? Die. Have you made first version or not? Where is cursor? It's still working, by the way. There we go. It's not done. We're almost done. Just few more. Few more. No, unfortunately, it's still working. So we're still gonna have to endure just a bit more. What are you guys saying in the What are you guys saying here? What do you mean you sound twice? Oh, by the way, my mod, he is great. So big shout out to you for making this. I really like it. What is happening here? I mean, you can set it, but don't set too many within a short time. Is there a ticket channel to create tickets or something? I'm afraid of opening this. What is this? Guys, I am AB2 official channel. Yes, sir. That's friendly guy. Have you ever played Counter-Strike Valve game? It's a hidden gem. I did play CS 1.6 back when I was a kid. And I was a pro, I'm kidding. Weekly How, we boosted your server. Thank you for boosting the server. And I can see that we have the badge already. It's back. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate the boost. Thank you, thank you. Big shout out. Big shout out to Simon for boosting the server. Why am I here? I should be here in live chat. Oh boy, this is long. It's not done. I apologize. Do you want to have kids in the future? Do you want to have kids with me in the future? Oh, this is so dumb. Yes, you should be. You should be in live chat as well. Horror stories. Someone need to check what's going on here. Because someone's being annoying. Do you know C++ language well? I kind of do. I mean, back in the day, I write this. Hold on, let me try if I can like include. Oh come on! I hate that. I hate this. Is there a way I can disable that? Snooze. Can I just snooze it? I'm not gonna use this. Hold on. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it here. Back then, I do something like hashtag include stdio.h, right? And then there's gonna be like int main. And then you can do. Can I use tab? Yeah, there you go. Return 0, right? And then if you want to, I probably forgot something like include. I probably forgot something, but I used to do like std cout and then something like this and hello world. And then if you want to input std cin and then you apply it to a variable, so you probably need to do something like int x is 0 and then you need to apply whatever you enter to this variable. That's my C++. It's not done. Oh no, actually it's not done. It's building more. C++ is my favorite language. Good, good. That, oh, was that C? I'm that old, I guess. I'm sorry. I didn't know. This is C. How do you do this with C++? Yeah, because this is what I do back then. And then you do something like this. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus to loop. And then you just like do this. And then you see out like a star or something. And then you build like a pyramid. Good old days. Okay, so it is a C then. I forgot. It was like years ago. I write like C plus C, sorry. I write C back when I was like in college? 15 years ago? No. 14 years ago. It was a long time ago. This is much better, by the way. Like, good job to Horror Stories for moderating the chat. I rarely see spam now, so thank you. Ah, for C++, it would be yes, yes. I used that as well. IO stream, right? And then you no longer need to do std. You just need to do cout, right? Something like that. Basic programming. It reminds me of my high school years. Yep. 89%. Oh, yeah, we're about to reach 100%. Hey, I'm new to Discord and I wanted to ask if you could post about a video idea. Maybe we can try making GitHub from scratch. What do you think? That's a good idea. Maybe we can do that someday. Yes, we can do that someday. I got 6-7%. Hey, there you go. Nocturne is just it's just showing off. How old are you? You look 20. Thanks, man. Thank you. Do you remember how to do for loops in C++? See? I just did. That was for loop. This is for loop. We even used like back then. We have to do like that and then while x is less than 10. You rarely see this. Do you still use this? I built my own programming language called K++. Nice. That's nice. I forgot semicolon, did I? No, I didn't. See, there is semicolon. What's 9 plus 10? 21? Assembly. Did you ever try assembly? No, I didn't. I played around with hex though. Back when I was like playing with Fiddler or something, if you guys know that. Fiddler 2. We need to play with hex values just to change things in an application. Like if you want to change the title of cursor, you can do that with hex. Really fun. Is it done? It's verifying. So we are almost done. And now it's writing readme. Guys, a few more. Here we go. We are almost done. I'm not gonna wear headphones. I don't need it. Maybe later. Because we're gonna upload a video. And that's how we're going to test it. Is it done? Here we go. It is finally done. It took how much? It took 30 minutes, right? I told you. I told you. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Project summary. It made 118 source files. That is crazy. It made a foundation Next.js 16 with app router, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS version 4, Prisma 7 with 23 models total, 12 enums with the following models, users, channels, videos, comments, blah, 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 blah. I'm not gonna bother reading all of that. Authentication, yes. Video pipeline, yes, good. Looks good to me. Video player, we're going to use custom HTML. Pages build. Okay, we have home. We have shorts. We have search with autocomplete. That is good. Channel pages. Good. Watch pages. Watch page. Studio. Nice. Settings for account. Playlist. And custom 404. I didn't even mention this, but it made it. Okay, good. All right. Monetization. Stripe donations. You know what? I'm not even gonna say anything. UI components, it's using ShedCN, good. And we can just proceed and run this. Okay, so we need to copy this and turn it into .env. So let's create a new, we already have .env here. Okay. Okay. And I guess I'll just copy this. And we're going to paste this. Okay. That said, this is what I'm trying to say. See? We're going to OAuth with Google anyway. This is dumb. This is funny. No, we should not be using this. But it's funny. Cloudflare, okay. We're gonna need to open Cloudflare. Let's read the readme. I don't think this is complete. npm run db push. Okay, this is not supposed to be that way. Kipple, hold on. And then let's go here. And here's the step-by-step guide. All right, npm install. It's already installed, but let's just try npm install. Here we go. And this is done. Set up database. npm run db generate. npm run db generate. That should generate the Prisma client. And then we need to push it to the database. So it should be npm run db and then push. There we go. Can't reach database server. Please make sure your database server is running at localhost 5432. Do we have a comment for that? DB Studio, DB seed. It's probably the DB Studio, right? npm run DB Studio. Uh-oh. There we go. The not load schema metadata. Let's go back to cursor. And I'm going to open a new terminal. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to push it. What do you mean? It's already... Oh, it's a different port. Different port. Give me a moment. I'm setting it up, okay? Probably need to set up the env first. Database URL. Database URL is this. Database URL is... Hold on. There's two of them. That's why. That is dumb. There we go. You know what? I'm gonna comment this out. Probably gonna need the API key over there. Okay, let me try it again. Let me try again from scratch. Okay, and then should be npm run db studio. Still the same. And it should be npm run db push. I'm gonna ask why it's not working. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna ask, provide an instruction how to run the DB. Add in the README the instructions on how to run Prisma. db because we are getting error. And I'll just add that. And then we'll change it to a different model, or should we stay in Opus? Because Opus is quite slow. Because this is a very basic problem, so probably I'm just gonna use Kimi K2. What is going on in chat? Am I missing something? Okay, here we go. Database setup. Oh, okay. So I need to open Docker. No. Actually, no. We don't need it. Oh, okay. I don't wanna use Docker though. It's gonna be another setup. I think I already have PostgreSQL here. I don't have it. So I'm probably gonna install that. Hold on. Maybe I'll just do help me install local PostgreSQL. Because I don't want to use Docker. Why? Because Docker takes a lot of resources, especially with file sizes. Okay, enable. Probably just gonna do it in Ubuntu, right? So what I'm gonna do is open Ubuntu. And here, I'm just gonna do sudo apt update. I'm just gonna install this. Copy that. Paste it here. Yes. Why it's taking forever, bro? That's the thing. You sign up for this. This is not a YouTube video. This is not a basic YouTube video you can just watch and the result is already there for you. That's the problem with you guys. You guys are so impatient. I'm trying my best to like be quick as much as possible, but I want to make sure that we are doing the right thing. Okay? And now we just do this. And we verify. There we go. Then after the installation, we need to update our env. Okay. Just read all of this. We just need this. And remove this with that. Okay. PostgreSQL, Postgre, the password is password, so that's good. Okay, weekly tube. All right. And once that's done, we just need to run npm run db push. Do I have npm here? I do. Okay, so npm run db push. There you go. Happy now? ABT is just asking questions. You're funny. I love it. There is no way I wasted a lot of time for this. Then go leave. Do something else. Do something productive. Jesus. I'm joking. But I can't help you with that. These things takes time, by the way. That's why a lot of, I'm not gonna name names, but there's gonna be a lot of content creators just gonna make easy content because it takes less time. They're just going to talk to ChatGPT, hey, build me this, build me that, and that's gonna produce results, right? And that's the video. But with this kind of projects, it takes time. Because why? Because you need to set up your local environment. You need to install stuff. You need to read stuff. You need to verify stuff. And that takes time. Especially we're doing it live. So I need to read it. This is not something that I can just cut. This is not a video. This is not a YouTube video that I need to post-edit with post-production. Oh boy. Anyway, enough of that. Let's do this. What's the next step? Let's go to the readme. We done the push, so we're just gonna do npm run seed, npm run db seed. Okay, here's our next error. Prisma client needs to be constructed with non-empty valid Prisma. Okay, I'm not gonna bother reading that because some of you are already impatient, so I'm just gonna copy this, add it to the chat, boom. There we go. Let's do it again. Still the same thing. Unknown property. I'm not gonna read that. Put it there. Send it. This is what's happening. Okay, apparently we missed a step. So npx prisma generate. There we go. And then npm run db seed. Here we go. I'm trying. We're still getting the error. You know what? Ban Nocturne. I don't need you here. I'm kidding. I'm joking. I'm expecting this to not work out, honestly. Because first of all, we're missing a bunch of environment variables. I haven't set it up yet. But then again, I'm just following instructions. I'm following what is in here. So right now, I just want to see the front end. I don't care if it's working or not. I just want to see the front end so you guys can shut the hell up. Weekly Hell, will you ever come to Greece? Yes. Yes, I will come. Oh, apparently we missed an install. This. Okay, let's do that. npm install. You know what? I'm just gonna copy it. There we go. This Nocturne guy is rage baiting so hard. Well, unfortunately, it's not working. Thanks for that. Okay, so now I've installed that. Okay. I still need to seed though. I'm not sure why it's not telling me to seed. Finally! There you go. So now we can run npm run dev. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Here we go. Oh my god. We are about to cook. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Be sure to subscribe. I messed up my outro. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Well, looks like it didn't work. What happened? What happened? Did I miss something? Did I miss something? Yeah, I know it's the default page of Next.js, but why did it make that mistake? That is such an amateur mistake. That is dumb. That's it? It literally just where's the page that TSX? He made all of this. He made all of this. Didn't even bother working on this. You know what? Maybe the reason why it's not working it's because of the router. Maybe because of the router. So maybe if I do this, there we go. See? But it's still, if I click this, it just brings back to the next JS. What? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna ask again. You didn't update. Why are we still using the default Next.js? It's not page, right? It is page, the TSX. When I run or when I open the localhost 3000, it displays the Next.js boilerplate page or page. And then I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this so that it knows. But I'm not gonna lie, that was funny. You guys can clip that. Yeah, at least we got some nice 404 page. That was a good sign. So now it deleted the page.tsx. Okay, so now we just need to refresh localhost 3000 and we should get Lord forgive me for what I'm about to do. Invalid SRC propped. So looks like there's a problem with whatever this is. Okay, I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna paste it here. Send it. Yeah, I'm working on it. Thanks, Credo. Yes! Sorry, I got excited. I'm sorry, I got excited. Look what we have here. We have a homepage. We have WeeklyTube with a sidebar, with a bunch of categories, with a search bar, with a night mode and light. Can someone use the font effect? I need that. With light mode, and we have a sign-in page. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Now, what I want to see is if I hover this video, for example, it should, you know, autoplay parts of the video. It's not gonna do that. It just zoomed. I mean, I didn't really specify that in my prompt, but wishful thinking. It's okay. It's okay. It's not too bad. If I change to music, nothing changed. Okay. These are all just placeholders. It is not working. Now for the shorts. Sage Morgan, you should name the shorts dailies or weeklies, cause like weekly how that's a really good idea. Really good idea. Alright. Shorts? Hold on. Hold on. We cooked something here. Okay, I can't like it. I can't comment. I can't share it. We have subscribed though. Oh, okay. So when we click the subscribe button, it leads us to the sign in. But this is dumb. We should not be doing this. But can we try sign in? I remember it created an account. So when I seed, these are the demo accounts. So let me try Alice at example.com. Okay. Oh, we are getting errors. We're gonna take a look at that later. Hold on. Let's go back here, log in, and then let's do password 123. Right? Hold on. Not gonna lie. This looks sick. We have a notification bell button here. We have plus button. I'm assuming it's gonna let us upload a video. And we have our profile photo here. Yes, I see there are errors. Okay? I see there are errors. If I click a video, you know what? I'm just gonna start here. Let me try click this button. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. If I click my profile photo, it opens the following drop down menu. We can open my channel, studio, and settings. Let's take a look at my channel. We don't have a channel. Oh, am I blacking it with my camera? I'm sorry. There you go. Let me go back here. You missed this, right? So we have this. We have plus button that doesn't work. Oh, actually it did. It took a while. But we can upload a video. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take a look at it last. Let's just take a look at the YouTube channel is now working for sure. The dashboard. We don't have a dashboard. Maybe the reason why it's not working is because we need to create a content creator account first. Right? Because that's how YouTube works. So for now, let me just skip that and then proceed to the other pages. Subscriptions. There are no subscriptions yet. Okay. Explore channels. Okay. We have trending in music. We have trending in gaming. Trending in tech, etc. But can I subscribe to a channel? No. But at least it's using a handle. So that is nice. I like that. If I open library, obviously that's not going to... Alright. Thanks for that. Excuse me? Okay. Okay, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Let me watch a video. Well, first of all, I don't mind it. It looks okay, but it's just a bit inconsistent, you know? Like, could have used the better layout for the watch page, because I would have to like zoom in just to see it. Other than that, we have the title, we have the video. What if I click it? Obviously it's not gonna work. I've seen that the issue is increased, so that's that. What else? We have like button. Okay, it increased. Good. We can dislike. Okay. We can like again. We can like it again. Give me a moment, okay? Give me a moment. I'm going through it, and then after that, we're going to fix it. I want to make sure that we have almost everything. Okay? There are problems. I know that. This is a demo video about music. Enjoy the content. We have tags. We have comments. Can we comment? Hello world. Okay, it's now. Oh, it actually worked. It actually worked. I can't like my own comment though. That is fine. Okay, so the videos aren't really working. It's just a bunch of data in my database that's getting fetched whenever I changed the video ID. But it's not really loading anything else. That's why it's fast. And I've lost the navigational bar. That's another thing. Anyway, okay. You know what? We're going to fix all of this. Where's this from? Encoded two children with the same key demo video keys should be unique so that components maintain their identity across updates. I'm gonna copy that. We're gonna update and fix the project one by one. So I'll paste it here. You know what? I'm just gonna set it to auto. I'm not gonna change the models. Whatever. Can you use an alt account to see these vids and your comment? Let's take a look at it. Go back to the homepage. And we'll sign out. And which video is it? Which video was it? It was not saved. It didn't save the video or the comment, right? Oh, no, hold on. I see it. There are two comments here. But I can't see it. Okay. Yeah, the way I fix it is not good. Because I'm just pasting the errors. I shouldn't be doing that. Instead, I should be describing what's the problem. This is not good. But that's okay. I'll fix it after. You know what? Go here. Okay, fine. Jeez. Let's go back to the homepage. Let's sign in. I'm sorry, what? I mean, it's working, so... It's currently working on it. Wait, okay? Wait. Okay, the cost. Duplicate should show up in two ways. Recommendations. Let's fix those. Okay. Go back here. Huh? What? What the hell just happened? Why is the sign in no longer... Am I tripping right now? It worked earlier. See, this is the life of Vibe Coder. You just need to keep fixing it. The auth sign in is no longer working. Yeah, it literally broke the entire sign in page or route. It's no longer working. Oh, because it's supposed to be log in, not sign in. That was okay. See? That's the problem with AI. It doesn't really recognize the mistake. There we go. Now it's working. Because it's supposed to be auth sign in, but it's supposed to be auth log in. Anyway, let's go back to the accounts. Oh my god. I forgot the accounts. What are the accounts again? Supposed to be Alice at example.com. Those, yes. Okay, I'm gonna use Bob. The password is password 12323, right? Yes. Okay. So now if I open this video, yeah, I can see the comment that I posted earlier, and I can post another one here. Like for example, hello Alice. Comment that. There we go. And I'll remember this demo video 6 specifically. Let me like this. I can't like this. Okay, I'm gonna fix those. You guys are saying something? Without AI it will be impossible. But without AI it would be so longer. Just fix something and broke something else. Yeah, that's literally what happened. When you ask AI to modify things too many times, it broke. Yes, that's what happened either. Hi, Yan Ilyas FNF. Start new session. Ban X Andre. They're spamming, yep. Do that. YouTube take money. That's the thing though. A lot of you are expecting this to be done in just a few hours. It's not that way. When the 404 screen pops up, it just means that the server isn't reachable, so you need to restart the server, which is the backend. No, that is not what happened. 1 day versus years. Wait, first press F12 to see logs or console. Yes, I was about to do that, but you are making YouTube from scratch. Yes, I am. Oh, by the way, how long have I been streaming? Okay, 2 hours and a half. Did someone do super chat? I want to make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, let's go back to localhost 3000. I just want to see something. If I sign out here, yes, it updated the entire thing. So now I can no longer comment because I signed out. Let me sign in once again. And this time I'm gonna do Charlie at example.com, and then should be password 123. There we go. Should be this one. And I have Bob and then Alice. Okay, it's actually working. But there are stuff that are not working, like the like, and I can't respond to the comment. And it didn't really do the GIF, right? There are no GIFs, there are no... Okay, let me do code snippet. Let's do this, this one. Let me just copy that. If I paste it here, it didn't really format it. So that's another feature that it didn't do. So yeah, all of these are just meh. Not the best start at all. But the UI, it's okay. Not too bad, but still could have done much better. I'm not gonna hype it up, but yeah, yeah. That's what I was saying too. That there's no nav bar sidebar in the watch page. Yeah. What about the search? Actually, yeah. Demo music. This are just not even working. Now, I'll go back to the homepage and let's see if we can upload a video. The studio is not even working. Okay, why? Because, okay, the studio is not working. Go back here. The route studio gives 404. Please fix. No problem. Be a good boy. I'm just gonna troll with it. Hey, ABT official, as always, thank you for the super chat. You have been the best viewer of this session. So massive thank you to the friendly guy. How long do you take to master type without look weekly? I cannot do that. I don't know what you're trying to say. You meant like typing without looking on a keyboard? Is that what you meant? I am typing without looking. Did I do well? Okay, Studio had a layout and nested routes, but no page.tsx. So the Studio, okay, that's fine. Let's go back to the browser. There we go. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of view stats. Of what? Mr. Beast, right? View stats? Reminds me of this. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna upload a video. Let's see what happened. This is not gonna work because, first of all, I need this. But whatever. Let's do videos. All files. This one. Okay. I can only upload MP4. What about if I drag and drop? Video projects. Let me look for a better video. Let me try this. This one. Okay. Sorry, we have this. We can change the title. Hello world. The description is hello world to the official weekly tube studio. Tags. Yes. Oh, it actually works too. I mean, it's probably just part of the ShadCN component. That's why it's doing that. ChatGPT. Okay. And the category is, we'll set it to science. Publicity. Okay. I'm not gonna do that. This is not a short. So that's one. Just gonna upload a random image. It's a GIF. The fact that it's working, it's crazy. Okay, upload. Channel not found. Please create a channel first. That is why. How do we do that though? How can we become a channel? Manage content analytics. Upload analytics. There's nothing there. Um Comments, monetization, back to weekly tube. But how can I become a channel? It doesn't even work. Damn. Gonna ask, how can I create a channel? When I open channel me, it returns a 404 page. There we go. You don't create a channel separately. Each account already has a channel. It's created when you sign up. So the channel URL is, okay, not channel me. There was no DB row with handle me, so you got 404. Then why is it redirecting me to that specific handle? Again, that's really bad. Let me do it again. Your channel. It just redirects to the homepage. this is bad. At, what is my name again? Charlie Brown. I'm assuming the handle is Charlie Brown. Page not found. It's not working. This is just getting messy. Hold on. Alice Johnson. Nothing either. Okay. Again, the handle returns 404. Even if I type at Alice Johnson in the browser URL tab or bar, it produces 404. Hold on. Someone corrected me. Do I need to do that? That's why. Thanks for that. Thanks, Sage, for correcting me. I feel dumb. Thanks for that. Okay, here we have a couple of videos. It's not really, they're not real, but we have subscribe. We have a banner. Okay. We can set it to all. We can subscribe. That's good. We have shorts. We have playlist. We have about. If I unsubscribe, does it lose a subscriber? It does. Okay. That's actually good. So if I subscribe, hey, I subscribed. Someone subscribed to Alice. Come on. Come on. Okay, let me open my console. Something's happening here. An empty string was passed to the src attribute. They may cause the browser to download the whole page again over the network. To fix this, either do not render the element. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. And we'll go back to cursor, paste it here, fix. Yes, 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 yes. Valtris SMP, hi, what are you working on? We are working on YouTube clone. And it's not... It's doing well, actually. You could have used YouTube to get results from the actual YouTube so video works. But does it make it? Yes. Nick, I agree. It will work. Most likely, it will. But that's not the whole point of like building something from scratch, right? I could definitely cheat it. I could do that. But I think it's just, yeah, it's just cheating at this point if I do it that way. Electronica, my idea. The name is too. Good job. That was such a luck. Is it showing ads from your YouTube? I don't think so. I don't think it's showing any ads. I didn't really specify that. It was just a joke earlier. Maybe weekly tube one day be better if you give time on it. Honestly, yes, for sure, definitely. Literally, we just started working on this. We just started working on this for like 2 hours and 50 minutes. And a lot of you are already complaining. That's the problem with... This is the problem that LLM produced. The expectations of like many people. Just because we have AIs, just because we can make softwares or web apps with AI in just like one snap of a finger, then all of a sudden everyone like, oh, it's working. Because a lot of content creators like put that kind of expectation of when you use AI, it will just generate like amazing stuff. But in all honesty, it's not. It would take weeks, it would take months of fixing and debugging and prompting again just to make it perfect. Please integrate playwright model MCP server to what? To the app itself? I don't know what MCP is gonna do or gonna help. Idea, no age restriction on weekly tube. It's not in there. Oh, maybe it is. Because it was in the prompt earlier. Kind of cool that you try from Nick. Thanks for that. Yeah. It was a good experiment. I enjoyed it. It was really fun. Weekly help from Electronica. Can you add donates? Maybe Tiply? I want to spend my money. In the app? I think I added like donations, but I don't even know if it managed to implement it. I don't think so. I've never seen like donate. There's no donate button. I literally asked it to use Stripe to, add a donate button here, but it's not there. What do you personally think of using AI for coding nowadays? It's really helpful. It's really helpful for building prototypes, but it's not really good for building like production apps. You know, it's good for building prototypes just to get an idea how it's gonna look or how it's gonna be. Like for example, the this right here, I built this using AI, but I still had to configure stuff because I would need to connect it to my own database. I would have to fix some stuff, like for example, the download button. There are loopholes in this app that I had to fix myself because AI messed things up. So there's that. So it helps building prototypes, but you need to figure it out yourself, the problems. Otherwise you wouldn't, you're just gonna look over that. You're not gonna be able to fix it. You can ask AI to find problems, like for example, ask AI, can you find any vulnerabilities within my app? For example, it will do that, but it's still going to miss a lot of things. That's the problem. Even if you just keep asking it, find vulnerabilities here, it's just gonna keep spitting vulnerabilities or problems because they want to give you the result. They want to give you, they're literally the yes man. Yes man. Is that the right word? They wanna, it wants to give you the answers that you're looking for. AI is incredible at the first iteration, like first outputs are very good, but then as the project gets bigger, they struggle to improve the code. Yeah, that's literally what happened here. Like, it managed to build the app, but the more you work on it, the more it messes things up, right? Like for example, okay, I pasted this problem, and then after that, it made a problem with the sign in. It was working earlier, but after prompting, it messed the sign in page. It was no longer working. Maybe you should work on one feature onto it, then to the next. Yeah, that's how it should be. But then again, you would need to check each feature that you implement. You can't just like, okay, implement this, and then you go to the next one without checking the problems of the first feature that you implemented. With this, it's gonna be hard to debug because we literally ask AI to build the whole thing in one go. I could just do it like, okay, fix this part, then fix this part, and then fix this part. But the problem is, when I do that, now that it's built, there is a higher risk of it fixing the problem, but also producing another problem. And it's just a problem again and again and again. It's a never-ending process. No, he meant like donates, like not your website, like external source. You mean super chats? You can do that. You can use super chats, and that's how you donate, I think. And if you do, thank you so much. That really helps my channel, you know, making this project, because right now we literally wasted API usage here. I think we reached what? 93% of API usage. And we just did this. Am I missing something? The app is not secure yet, definitely. 100%. I would like to use AI to make better versions of Facebook with features from other social medias. You can do that. But there are so many Facebook clone now. I think it's good also to improve an already big app like Spotify already doesn't code anything and only uses Claude Code. There are many new features now coming. Yeah. You would still need to be a software engineer when building with AI because you can't just YOLO everything. So someone needs to review the source code before, merging it to the main source code. I love playing with LM Arena websites. Yeah, I used to do that. Comparing different LMs. How dare YouTube hide this big stream from me? From Huggy Zeri. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Start smaller from Kim the Epic Gamer again. I think I already read this. Yes, but some streamers use external websites that pay more than YouTube. Oh, do they? I'm sorry. Again, this is my first live stream after a year. So I definitely don't know what's new or what else to do. This is literally unplanned. I didn't plan for this because it's supposed to be tomorrow, but I made a mistake that I'm about to live stream and I was like, you know what? Whatever. AB, what's his name again? Friendly guy started donating and I was glad. I felt bad. You know what? Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna do this and then we'll do a part 2 tomorrow, which is, yep. Maybe we'll continue this. Who knows? What do you guys think though? Do you think I should continue working on this or should I create a new project that would be more entertaining to watch? Because I don't know. Was it fun? Or was it boring? Honestly, it was meh. Not the best. Not the best result I've ever gotten. What else do I need to read? I'm simulating an operating system in Minecraft chat with no mods or plugins, just Mindflyer bot. Okay. How much money did you waste on that? For now, it's not yet. I mean, it literally wasted 20%? 25%? I don't remember. Where did we start? I remember it was around 70 something, right? So now it's 93%. So around 20? Around that? But how much? I don't know. Because it's part of the 20 subscription, the plan. So I'm still not paying for it per prompt. But still, it's a waste. So there's that. Weekly How, if you become a girl for one weekend, what will you do? That was a great question. From Paul, hello. Hey Paul. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the live stream. It already has interpreters to run apps. Users can program, okay. Weekly How, no, I want to spend my money on your YouTube channel. Donate, for example, Tiply. Oh, okay, yeah, I think I got what you mean. But I don't think I have that. I only have YouTube stuff. Do you want me to work on that? I could work on that. And then I'll share it tomorrow. But right now, I don't have anything that will let you donate. That would be truly appreciated though. From Paul, can ChatGPT do it? Do what? He must waste like over $100 from Kim the Epic Gamer. No, not really. It's still part of my plan, so it's still under $20. Once it reach 100, that's the time I'm spending $1 per prompt. Depends on the token. Does this software cost money? Yes. This one right here? Cursor, yes. You need to subscribe to their plan. You can use it for free, but your API usage is limited. From Exolotech. I do all my things for free using Google Anti-Gravity. It's not as good as Cursor, but it's free to use, and it has Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet, and Gemini. Yeah, again, I was not able to enjoy Anti-Gravity because whenever I prompt something, it's like saying API limit exceeded or something like that. Like it's producing a lot of errors, or it's producing that specific error. That said, I can't really use it. Hey bro, can you make a video using AI coding? I'm already working on this specific project. Spoiler alert. That's gonna be my next video. That's the reason why I'm doing a live stream right now, because I don't have anything this week. From Paul, this is wonderful. Thank you so much. I enjoyed it. Thank you so much. That was really fun. Yeah, honestly, it was really fun, especially the part where, you know, as soon as we opened the app, it just Next.js page. That was funny. What AIs did you use to make this? Opus 4.6 was the first, but I had to go and came back just a few minutes ago. Well, we used a bunch of, not really all of this, but we used Opus 4.6, we used Sonnet 4.6, we used Kimi, and that's it. And I mostly used Auto, so I didn't have to pick the models because I got lazy. Because some of you also mentioned that I should not just pick models. I just use one model and do the work. So I just used Auto. It's like 50-50, okay. It would be so cool if you're able to port Minecraft to your existing OS that runs Doom. You just need a JDK. That's gonna take a lot of work too. ABT official channel, make my idea. What idea? Do you have a degree? From Paul? Yes, I finished my software engineering master degree back in actually last year. No, 2 years ago, but I graduated last year. Hey bro, can you make a video? Or I already mentioned that. How are you so smart? Am I? 79% at the start. Okay. Okay. So what? 14%, right? Not too bad. Actually, it's not too bad. Hey bro, can you make a video already? Again, already answered that. So unlimited messaging for Cursor from Paul. No, it's not unlimited messaging. You have 100% included API usage, and after that, you would have to pay for each prompt that you make. Okay, from ABT official, thanks for the super chat. Do a language that translate on machine language code. A language that translate. I still don't. I'm trying to see your point. So you want a programming language that would turn a programming language into a machine code. How would you understand that? It's just a bunch of 0001, 01, 01, 010. Could be funny though, but I don't know. It's just gonna be a bunch of misunderstandings. You can make your own IDE, maybe. I already answered this. I'm already working on this. That's gonna be the next video. From Paul, make an AI make a part 2, please. Okay, maybe we can touch on that later. I would love to see Minecraft ported to custom OS. We can touch on that later. What are you making? From Oral Missed Music? You must have missed the rest of the video or lives, but yeah, we made a we made this. This is what we made. We made a clone of YouTube, and it was ass. It was trash. Make your own physics engine. I was also planning on making this, but it got really overwhelming because there's a lot of math, And boy, I am not a mathematician. Could you do AI make AI, please? We already did this. We have a video. But that's gonna, if you want to make a part 2 on that, maybe we can do that. Make a website builder. Ooh, okay. That's a good one. Can you put this on your Discord or site? I finished that and put on my website. Yes. After this live stream, I'm going to upload the zip file and you guys can work on that. Just for the members though. And I'm pretty sure you can access that since you are a member Electronica 147. From Oral Mist Music, where are you from? I'm officially from... Officially? Why even say that? I'm originally from the Philippines, but I'm here in France to work. Mais je ne peux pas parler français bien. Juste un peu. I have a lot of fun making Mind Flayer bots. I already read that. You should have coded something yourself for April Fools. We missed it already. From B22, what are we building here, guys? Again, this is what we built. From Finesco77, yo! Yo, what's up, gang? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm reading the old chats. I'm just gonna go down then. Yes, Electronica. I am in Paris. I am in France. Fast Tutorials 36. Hey, man. Thanks for joining. Best YouTuber. Thanks for that. I appreciate it. Snow Z Dev. Hey, welcome. Thanks for joining. We lost a bunch of people already. They left. We are now under 30 viewers. that was funny earlier. That was a milestone. I reached like 70 viewers. So thanks to everyone for joining. We're going to continue this or do something else. It depends. Again, we're going to have another live stream tomorrow. Same time and same length. You should make a universe simulation. Oh, friendly guy. You have a lot of good ideas. But they are quite impossible. They're like this close to being impossible. But they're still possible, but this close to being impossible. I made an OS in Minecraft chat. At this point, I feel like you are just spamming Axel. I get it. Snowy Dev, you're so chill. Thanks, man. Appreciate ya. You can work with big companies or YouTubers. I'm currently employed, man. I'm currently working. I have a day job. What I'm doing right now is just for fun. Continue from Paul. Yeah, okay. Okay. We can talk about it tomorrow. Again, I'll come back on this tomorrow. Same time, 7 p.m. CET time zone. I don't know what that's gonna be to you guys, since some of you guys are probably out of different time zone. Build a bank system. What job do you have? Right now, what is your job? Same question from Kim. Right now, I work as a developer advocate. So yeah. So if some of you don't know, I'm actually a software engineer. I know how to code, but what I'm just showing on videos is just like for fun. Sometimes I try to pretend I don't know shit because I know it's gonna trigger some of you. And I like the fact that some of you, no, you should be doing this. Do that. Okay. From Poods. Poods SZ. Make PayPal from scratch. Ooh. Hi, hi, hi. Make something without AI. It will be funny. That's gonna take like weeks. I could like make simple apps, like a to-do list. Imagine npm init, create a package.json, and then just create an Express app and just create a basic to-do list. That's fun. Because if you want an app, an actual app, that's gonna take like weeks, even months. Make a live. Someone said reinvent the dinosaurs. uh, yeah, I could do that. Why not? Make a live stream where you code C++ and don't use AI at all. That would be funny. Especially I don't know C++. Use AI to build an AI website builder, please. Yes, we'll do that next time, okay? The fact that I got you guys, so I'll do more. I'll do more of this because this was fun. I really enjoyed talking to you guys. I was expecting it to be like, I'm probably just gonna be all by myself. That's literally what happened last year. Way back when I was like doing a live stream, making, if you guys don't know, if you haven't checked my previous live streams, I had a bunch of like shit. Sorry for my language. I play different characters just for fun. If you guys have time, check it out. Good times. I play different characters. Create your own galaxy from Snowzy Dev. Yes, let's do that. Web app better. Build an AI math solver like Photomath. Okay, that's very specific. Then you would have to learn it, C++, I think you're talking about that, and then you would code without AI, then you would be better than AI eventually. That's literally the life of a software engineer right now, especially right now. I dare you to dance the funniest dance in the screen. I dare you to donate $100 and I'll do the dance. No, 1,000. I feel like that's too, that there's like too low. My talent fee is high, right? Friendly guy? How did you make the download page only for members? I still can't figure it out. Well, if I could like explain it in just a few simple phrases, I built a web app and then OAuth from Google, and then I get the access code, so I could just use your channel so that whenever you sign in, there's like authentication, right? You give me permission to access your YouTube channel, URL, etc. But the problem is, I'm supposed to have an access scope where I can get your channel memberships status, but YouTube does not let me have that. I've been talking to YouTube, asking for that specific API, but they just don't help. They just can't help me. So now I had to do the hard part and literally update my database every single time someone subscribe to a membership, which is really inefficient. Build a podcast and music library with AI powered recommendation library powered by iTunes Search API. ChatGPT versus Claude make Minecraft mod from scratch. I planned on making this one as well. Please look up Microsoft Docs how to create a window and draw in it in C++. Just search in the browser and look for example code and tell if that is difficult to code for you. Sure, I guess. What are you trying to say? Huh? Microsoft Docs? How to create a window and draw in it in C++? Talking about this? Hard. Definitely hard. Definitely hard. It's not easy. Try in front of the screen. From Electronica must end. Bye. Okay. Electronica, thank you so much for joining. Bye bye. I'm gonna end the stream too in a few minutes because I'm starving. It's already 10 p.m. by the way, guys. I haven't eaten yet. Okay? I'm gonna have to cook. I have to take care of my health. If I don't, then who's gonna entertain you? So basically, just look up, for example, you can even ask AI, build a CLI with AI just like me in AI CLI. To get notified when someone joins your YouTube channel membership, use, yes, that's what I was referring to earlier, but you would need to ask YouTube to get that specific APIs, Nosy Dev, okay? If you read the documentation, there's a part somewhere in there that says you need to contact your YouTube partner manager. I have a community manager, and I don't think she knows it. I tried contacting her multiple times or talking with her multiple times, but she couldn't really help me. I tried talking to a developer itself. I tried talking to YouTube developer itself. And you know what they said? I don't even know. I'm just gonna be frustrated talking about this. Drink some water. I will do that after, okay? Because all I got is no, I can't show this. Also, here's new meme, make it go viral. I don't know. I'm making a game in OpenGL. Good work. 9 p.m. for me. It's late. Try bubble.io. Oh dang. Alright, I guess I'm gonna end it right here, boys or girls. Thank you so much for joining me. It has been a wild experience. It has been fun, and I can't wait to see you guys again tomorrow. Again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit a subscribe and hit that bell button so you won't miss the next live stream, which is going to be tomorrow. Okay? And if you haven't liked this video or this live stream, be sure to give this video or live stream a like. And yeah, if you guys want to get the source code, be sure to join, become a member, so you will get the source code and also additional perks like custom badges, custom emojis in the comments, and Discord roles, and early access to my future videos. What else? And the most important perks is you will become the most amazing member of Weekly How. So there's that. Yeah. Again, guys, thank you for joining, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Okay? Same time, 7 p.m. CET. Yeah. All right. Bye, 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 bye. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye. How do I end this? Hold on. Um. Okay, I know now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Five. Hold on, it's still live? Bro. How do I end this? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. This is embarrassing. Hold on. I'm going. Hold on. One, two, three. Bye. Oh, yeah, see? Amateur.